kind of nice, like, I guess, living not too far from here.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. Sorry I haven't been updating, but appreciate all the new subscribers. On this episode, I catch a uhu. I don't have a lot of GoPro footage, but it's all good. This is a simple cook edit. You can do it at home. All you need is just salt, pepper, cornstarch, and a little bit of panko. Just cook your fish on a medium high, and then just to a light golden brown, and then serve it with a nice side of salad or greens, and perfect. This fish fed 4 people. Talk about sustainability. Hit the thumbs up if you guys like this channel, and I'll be posting more stuff in the future. Thanks for watching. Aloha.